Hello everyone, it's Winona from Dairy Barn Art and welcome back. Welcome if you're new, and if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let's start in with Everyday Gratitude, like I like to start all my videos. And today's is by Jean Houston, and she says, "At the height of laughter, the universe is flung into a kaleidoscope of new possibilities. And what do I experience when I hear laughter? Doesn't it lift your mood?" Well, yeah, like kind laughter. I find that laughter, music, dance, that kind of things just gets your energy level so high, and it makes you feel so good. It can cure a lot of ills. Anyway, I ordered another mystery box from Cricut. I'm getting addicted to these things. I think this one is the Festival of Lights, I think it was called, if I remember. And I'm already looking. Oh, what's the next one going to be? What's the next one going to be? How do I open this? Oh, right here. But I am using what I've received. Ooh, I like this. What is that? Tangerine? Oh, I like that color. Isn't that nice? Tangerine. And then we've got here. Oh, good. Removable glow-in-the-dark. Oh, I could have used that a few weeks ago, but you know what? This will get me prepped for next year. And adhesive foil, glossy metallic gold. Oh, I'm glad I got that too. I want to do myself a t-shirt, and I want one line to be like a cream, and then the gold, and then the cream. So that's good. I'll put that on this side because it's adhesive. Sport Flex Iron-On All-Star samplers, and my understanding is Sport Flex is for more stretchy fabrics. So, but you can use it on any fabric. So we've got a nice red, like a cranberry red, a white, and a black. It looks like. So that's good. Glow-in-the-dark Iron-On. Oh, okay, I was kind of confused. I thought this was Iron-On. That's cool. So now I can do something on their clothes. Oh, I think I have to do... I'm going to use this right away. As in, like, soon. And then what? Here's our Cricut Cutie. And its color is true yellow. Oh my goodness, yellow is one of my favorite colors. When I was in university, I worked at a tanning salon. And we had to wear yellow or cream. And I drove a yellow car. And, yeah. I had a lot of yellow. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? Oh, my granddaughters are going to be so excited the next time they come to see all these little Cricuts I'm collecting. I have 3. And then what's this here? This is a glitter pen set. Glitter gel. Oh, I had my Cricut in a previous video. I had him address, or him, I had my Cricut Joy address envelopes. And I watched a video of someone else, and they did a beautiful piece of art. Might have to just do that just for the fun of it. And use some glitter pens. That's cool. And this is what I was oohing and awing of because I wanted to buy one. Is there just one in here? Yeah. I wanted to buy one of these and try it out with infusible ink, and I didn't. And now I'm glad I didn't because I'm going to try this one. That's awesome. And then glitter cardstock in black. Ooh, that's pretty, hey? You all know me. I love cardstock. Have to see. This would be really pretty in a layered card, and have this in the very background with a winter scene in the front. And then if you could somehow put fairy lights to light it up, that would be really pretty. The thoughts. So that's it for that box. But then you know that I have to get my order up to $100 so I get free shipping, because there's no way I'm paying for shipping. And this came in a box a little bit bigger than this, which is a little bit bigger than 12 by 12. And by 8. It was huge, the box, and this is all that was in it, the 2 things. I ordered myself the Cricut mat. Just excuse this noise here. because I was using my wool mat, and because I used my wool mat for sewing, it gets a lot of thread tails on it and that, and I ended up getting it on a transfer that I was doing for my granddaughter, and kind of made a mess. But yeah, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to order the mat for it and keep it just for that. So I think it has, does it have something to hang it on? No. Oh, that's too bad. But I'll have to find a place to store it. Anyway, I only have the one easy press. I only plan on having one easy press. Well, I guess I have that little thing. I plan on buying a clamshell press to do bigger things than just the little things, because my easy press isn't that big. So anyway, and then got to keep these silica gels to put in with my metal beads. Oh, I'm going to have to just cut that. I forget what this is. Let's see on the other side what it says. Holographic iron-on 6-pack multi 12 by 12 inch. And this is for earrings I want to do. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, the camera, oopsie, you get to see me. The camera doesn't even pick that up. I told myself I'm going to start wearing a cap so that you can't see my bald head. Isn't that beautiful? And then this yellow. Ooh, this is nice. So we're going to be doing some earrings. I might do them on my other channel though. And then here's some more. And if you don't know, my other channel is the left-handed beater on YouTube. Gorgeous. My monitor's going down. The colors aren't showing true. Like that green is absolutely gorgeous. And it might be in there too, but I am seeing more of the blue. Anyway, so that is my Cricut purchase this time. And the sad thing is they don't deliver to me. So I get it all delivered to my mom. And then I have to go to the city to pick everything up all the time. But I have been in the city enough lately that that's not an issue, but I don't plan on going again this month. So I might have to see if I can get it delivered to a friend's in town or something, so I could have it right away. Oh, where's our little guy? Here's our little guy. And here's our markers, our glitter gel pens. And that's it. That's it for our haul. Thank you for spending this time with me. I wish you lots of luck, love, and happiness until we meet again. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.